Good morning! Ang aga ng kids gumising.
Hey, good morning. This is our house or channel.
What did you say?
Good morning. Good morning. This is our house or the channel.
Good morning, Zihei. Good morning, Lala.
Or channel. Bye-bye.
Mamaya, aalis kami at kukunin namin yung in-order namin na baking tools. Yes!
Kailan kami?
Pwede man, maiba ka. Say good morning! Say good morning! Where's you? Say good morning!
What is this? What is this?
Ate?
What is this, man?
Ay, come here.
Look. Yes.
Hey! I saw in the video, you two fighting, you know?
Looks like party. Is it? Are you sure?
Yeah!
Let me see.
It's Ate Tone took the video.
You saw si Chan Lo.
Oh. Huh?
When we were cooking.
No, when I went out. You two fight, Huh? Why? You're hurting each other, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, why?
Sorry, Mama. Sorry, Mama.
Don't fight again,
Okay, Mama. Kita.
Hindi na ako sumama kasi umuulan. Mahirap na kasi may baby. So, yung dalawang kids na lang, tsaka yung si Mr. yung pumunta doon para kunin yung in-order namin na baking tools. So, mamaya, yan, box namin yun. So, ngayon, dahil hindi na ako sumama, gumagawa na lang ako ng merienda for kids. Ayan, tapos na actually. In-steam ko na siya. Where's your phone? Where's your phone, honey? Where's your phone? We're going to unbox.
What are we going to eat tonight?
I don't know.
NANI?!
Prawn?
Yay! Stop soup there. I'll just eat the soup.
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry?
Don't eat
You eat it. I cook puto.
36
Ano? Can you sit down here, Lalab? My beautiful
Oh, the
face
toys!
cannot sit
The
there.
toys inside.
That is not toys. Okay, kasi binuksan na nila doon para ma-double check. This is not toy, Lalab. para ma-double check, para hindi na binuksan nung ano. What is the why this one is wet? You still have soap, Lalab. Oh, you see?
Water, cooking water there.
See, still have soap. Oh, you see, just go wash properly. You see that? Oh, go.
Oh, we don't like.
So ngayon, check ko, i-double check ko kung ano pa, kung tama ba yung nasa loob. Yes, toolbox. So this one, nice, correct? Nice. you sit here beside Mama?
Mama, Papa forget to bring the mask.
Is it?
Yeah.
Then how?
Huh?
It's okay, you're just in the car, right?
Please forget.
This one is cupcake. This one is for cupcake. Love this one for cupcake. Let me check. Is it correct?
Mama, can I remove?
No. The cupcake. Why the color is different, ah? Why they give this cupcake this box? Anyway, it's okay. Even the gloves also different, the design. Oh, pink. No, this one. You see, it's different, eh. But this one, okay. Meron siya.
Gold.
Yeah, land gold.
Bronze.
Can you sit down?
Bronze.
I sit down. Please sit down here beside Mama. Beside me, Ken. And this is for what? Let me check.
Mama,
This one.
Kamsiko.
Yeah. And what is this? This is for
Oh.
what?
Ball. For cookies.
Yeah, but this one is included here. Is it here?
Wala yung free.
No. You cannot see. Uy, kagana tong tugang mo.
Mama.
And this is for what? This one.
Wow!
Wait. One by one, the love. I need to check inside. This one is what? I cannot.
What? Teacher, what carrot? Here got carrot. Give me. I tried all of them. Okay.
This one.
No, give me a carrot.
Okay.
Okay, if you don't.
Yung pinapatungan pagmamasa.
Sorry, what? Mama,
Naka.
Please say Chinese. You say
This one,
Chinese.
this one is this. Pang shape. But this one, I don't know. Put that first. Yes, meron siya. But meron the same color then dito sa picture is black. Yes, we have heart and star. Yay! Try ko. And meron ding, this one is for, yeah,
You
this
don't
one.
have. Mama,
Yeah,
this
this one
one.
is this. Oh, the blue
Yeah,
one.
we're talking about that.
Huh? Okay.
Mama, this.
So, these two included. This one, maliit lang siya. Maliit lang yung pan niya. Ay, lalab. Okay. Maliit lang yung pan niya.
Okay, here's the.
Ay, how come like this?
What's that?
Oh,
Mama,
pero,
look at cupcakes.
ginamit na. Lala.
Mama, look at cupcakes.
Can you, ayo. Why like this? May kasahan.
What?
Why like this?
Why?
This one looks like already used, honey.
Look at this.
What?
This one pangkat, meron nga. This one okay. This one you see.
This thing is not come with the box one. They buy all this, they combine together.
Can you excuse me, honey? I'm the video. So this one okay.
Different.
4 cups. This, okay. This one, okay. So these two, okay. And this one for cutting, right? This is not included. This one, measuring cups. Measuring spoon. Measuring spoon, let me see, same. And this one is for the pang shape siya, no? I don't know what they call it. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Ito yung pang,
Gimme!
okay.
Here.
Yeah, this one is,
Itong ano ito?
and this one is for cake. Oh, this one is okay. This is okay. This is okay. Pang cake. This one.
Wherever I got it.
Then this one, this.
Mama. How about this one, babe?
Wait lang, lalab. We haven't finished. One by one. Ay, ano ba yun? Yung bowl nila masyadong malaki.
nice though.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice.
Mama, naka.
Naka.
Mama,
Nagkakatuna. This cup is 400, 500. Okay.
Mama.
May kasamang cup.
Mama, naka.
And this is, meron pa siya, ito yung ano,
Why?
hindi rin, ipa, but it's okay. Meron ding cup, meron ding mga ano,
Cupcakes. Mama.
paper cup. Okay.
Mama, this
So,
one
ito.
Mama, this one you check.
Okay, this one is okay. Ito lang isa.
Mama, you check guys. Oh, we got
Wait, lalab.
brush.
Wait.
Check.
Ito lang isa kasi talagang meron siyang gas-gas.
Mama!
Gas-gas siya.
Mama!
Oh,
Mama!
talagang na ano,
Mama!
parang ano siya, parang
Mama!
ewan kong gamit na ata, parang ganun, gas-gas talaga. So, mamaya, baka pwedeng maano. And then ito, this is for what? This is for what? This one is for what? Hey, what are you doing, my lalab?
How about this?
This one, let me check. Wait lang, lalab, one by one. So this one, I don't know. This is for ano ba yan? Pang flat. Brush. Oh, the brush is too small.
Ay, okay na kaya?
Yeah, we already have. This one, pang cake ito.
Is for the icing.
Okay, this one.
Ano yan?
Pang ano.
Mama, this is
Okay, this one okay, have. And this one, niliit ang panila. Masyadong maliit. Alam? Kasi masyadong maliit. Okay. Ang liit naman ng anong ito. Okay. What is this? Ah, this one. Wait. One by one, baby ko. One by one. One by one.
Mama, you say first.
May kasama rin kasi siyang mixer. Ayan. Let's see.
Pero walang plancha.
It's too small! Oh!
So cute.
Let's try later. Can you stop lalap? Recording.
Monkey.
So,
Mama, making
it's not funny. It's not funny.
Mama, making a banana.
It's not funny! So, mamaya, ito-try namin kung gumagana ba to or hindi. Meron na siyang extrang hindi ko alam kung ano mga tawag dyan. And this is pang masa. Ano ba? Kung pang roll kang dough.
Mama!
Yeah. Yes, what is that,
How
my
about
dear?
this?
This one, ito yung ano to, kitchen scale.
Scale?
Yala.
Scale like that.
So,
Wow, the one is a popping plastic.
let's see. May battery ba to? Kailangan parang lagyan ng battery. Ito-try natin to kung gumagana.
Pwede yan sa bilis.
Let's check. Oh, this one cannot play. Just in case, Lala,
Let's
this one
this for someone.
is not working, you can bring back and change, okay? So, ito-try namin yan.
Mama, this one has. Check this.
Okay, what is this? This is... what is this? Never listen. This one, ano ba to? Para saan ba to? Actually, hindi ko alam kung anong mga tawag dito sa tools na to. Let's see, this is for what?
Are they getting it?
And
For
what is
fish.
this?
Aluminum foil.
Aluminum
Ay,
foil.
hindi.
Pero parang isang roll lang siya, ate. Ang liit! Ang nipis! My God! Parang isang gamitan lang ubus na, hindi na pwede. Wala na. Okay lang. It's free.
NANI?!
Colors. Where is that? Ayo. Teacher, what are you doing? So, Yunif, nalito na po ako. Makukulit dito yung bata sa aking harapan. So, hindi ko na alam kung ano meron.
Oh, gingerbread
wala.
man!
This is
Ate,
baking
mga
paper.
gingerbread man!
Is that you? So this is baking paper.
Gingerbread man. Mama, I found
Then
gingerbread
sa
man!
itlog.
Mama, I found gingerbread man!
This one is for the egg. Ito yung sa itlog. Kapag gusto mong separate yung red, yung egg yolk tapos white and red. I know. What are you doing now? Don't break the box first. We still have to. And then this is, ito yung sa cake. Si Ray, look at it. Plastic lang siya.
It is for the cake.
My goodness. And meron siyang apat na paa. So let's see. Hey, don't broke the box first. Okay, give me the box. See you. I need to put back this. Please. Give me.
I can catch!
Okay.
Mama, this is my house today. Mama, today is my house. Hey, Mama!
I told you don't broke the box, ha? Hindi ko alam kung may kung ito kasama talaga. And then, itong measuring spoon, nandito. Oy, lalab! May labak. And this one, binuksan na ng namin ko. Masyadong makukulit. Ito, okay. See you, you listen to me, ha? Ito, correct. Dito siya. Ano to? Ito nasa taas. Yan, meron, ng foil. Ito, may sinama pa sila. Diyos ko, Lord. Free. Then ito, akala ko siya, kung titingnan mo talaga sa picture, malaki siya. And then, pagdating dito sa bahay, ang liit niya lang pala talaga. My God, ang liit niya! Akala ko yung malaking yung parang kuchil, na malaki talaga. Yun ang akala ko, yun ang ina-expect ko. So, ayan. And then yung aluminum foil, isang roll lang talaga siya. Tapos ito, ang bilis naman ang mag-off ng phone ni Mister. Tapos ito
Wow!
nilalapatan. Hindi ko alam kung ano mga tawag doon. Ganito kasama. Then this one, meron ba to? Ayan! Meron nga. Yung pang ano ba to? Tawag dito? Yun na yun. I forgot. And then this one, ito nandito nga. Ano yun dito? Red. Ay, ano ba to? Ang nandito, brown kahoy. Pero nandito sa akin, black. Okay lang, pareho lang naman. And then this one, ito yung kahoy. Akala ko ba naman mahaba? Nandito mahaba. Ang liit lang pala. Masyadong maliit. And ito sa, what is this? Itlog.
Mama, try it!
Nandito
Try
siya.
it! No.
Yeah, later. Then this one, ano ba to? Baking paper. Nandito rin. Check. Ito. Okay lang. Liit. And then this one, all correct. Ang liit niya. My goodness. Dito sa picture ang malaki. andito sa picture malaki. Pagdating sa bahay, masyadong maliit. Okay lang. And then ito, let me check. 1, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 5. 5 lang siya. Why? Bakit 5 lang? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why this one? Ba't ang 5 lang? And then ito. Ito din. Correct.
Let's try this, Mom.
What is this? And then ito, pink. Ano dito? White lang yung akin. So, okay lang din. This is okay. Tapos ito. Ito ba't ganito?
Mama, what's this?
Hindi siya
Mama, what's this?
talaga.
Mama, what's this?
There is to mix. So ito, natuwa ako. Talagang maganda siya. I love it. And then ito, okay lang din. Maganda.
Mama, you
Ito lang talagang ewan ko ba't ang may gasgas.
No, I want to have candy.
Ito try ko mamaya kung gumagana. Ito hindi ko alam kung para saan to. Promise.
Yeah, dito aluminum foil.
Ha? Aluminum. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
I don't want.
So ito lalagyan ko ng ano mamaya. Ito try ko rin kung gumagana.
Don't want your candy.
Mixing bowl. Okay lang, medyo anliit ka talaga. So okay lang. Don't give. I don't want. Ito maganda siya yung pang ano ng cake.
No, I don't want that. I don't want. I don't want.
Yeah, you see, Mama taking video, you're fighting the
No, sit down, baby.
for $89, guys. So okay lang din. Pero ito,
Check this.
so, parang free ata
I
to.
don't want,
Hindi kasama.
Mama. I don't want.
This is for what?
Photo is in it. I don't want green color.
Pang popsicle. That's pang popsicle nga, ate. This one, kasi merong, tatanggalin mo yung cover niya.
Balat.
Yung balat, yung cover niya. So, pwede kang gumawa dito. And then, ito, papasok siya dito sa loob. Ay, ba't walang bukas? Meron! Oh.
Ba't walang labot?
Oh, meron. Meron nga.
How
Dito
to
nga
do
siya.
that?
Pang
Mama,
popsicle
Mama.
nga. Pang ice cream.
Mama, okay, chocolate.
Hindi bago ako. Bago siya sa ano.
Try this, Mama. You give to me.
Come here.
So, yan na guys. For $89, okay naman. So far, okay. Sa totoo lang, hindi talaga ako bumibili sa online. So far, okay naman.
Eat the puto.
So, yung mga nandito sa listahan nila, kompleto naman. Meron nga mga, ano ba yan, free ba yan? Or kasama na wala naman dito sa listahan. So, okay na rin. Happy na rin ako. Happy na rin tayong lahat. So, thank you guys for accompanying me. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin at sana magustuhan niyo po ang aming video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay, bye.
Say bye. Bye. Hope to see you again.
Burn.